That's a nice 3/8. Hey Rhea, what do you think? If you go in there, you're not gonna get out. Rhea. Decent. The spark sharpener is something I've been really excited about for a while. I actually first got introduced to it in person at the Let's Play Expo, I guess 2 years ago in 2018. The first thing that comes to mind is those old school skate sharpeners that are kind of like vending machines where you put your skate in, makes a bunch of weird noises, and your skate gets all butchered. That was my first impression I thought Sparks was. And after seeing it and actually using the sharpening, it really changed my mind. Now this is gonna be my first ice time sharpening it myself with the machine, and I'm really excited to give some feedback to it. So I'll just show you the ice time.
Warm up, Daniels. Big dub tonight.
Just remember, I have more points than you do right now.
Oh, fuck off. Well, this guy's not a goalie. We should have about 12 today. There we go. Nice play.
I don't think that thing's recording. I don't see a red dot.
That would suck.
We lost it all.
Walked in! Walked in! Oh, trap. Lit. Nice goal.
That was a pretty filthy night.
Wow, he's got a girlfriend. They met on Tinder. That was sick.
Hey, can you guys dump the puck in a bit? I want to work on some breakout passes if you don't mind.
You know, there's a lot of guys out there looking to scam you anytime you buy stuff online. At Sideline Swap, the sellers and buyers are protected from scammers. Sideline Swap has you covered. Best place to buy and sell your stuff online. Go to sidelineswap.com and I'll see you sometime soon, probably next week.